This section is something I do at the end of the year. They're called line designs. You guys have been staring at them. They're on the wall on my bulletin board. To the right, I have my trig students design line designs. So for a project that's worth about 10 points, you need to make a line design for me. It should have 2 to 3 different designs in it. And I can take a picture of my bulletin board and send it out to show you what line designs look like. Basically, you take a ruler, but I don't have a ruler right now, but all you do is you make an angle like this. You can make small angles, you can make big angles, you can have a couple of slashes on here, you can have a whole bunch you can have 10 slashes. All you do is you connect the first one with the last one, the second one with the next one, the third one with a ruler though, or a straight edge. It doesn't have to be a ruler. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so now we have to be creative here. Let's say we box this in like this. And let's say we do the first with the last, the second, and so on. And we do this one again. I'm just going really fast, so it looks like this. And then we do another one, and then we do another one. And we connect it, and it looks like that. And then that's only one design. You could do one out here too. It's any angle, any angle. So the first one with that one, the second one, and so on. It can be any angle. And then maybe you put something in here and you design something. Or you do it, maybe you do it in a hexagon. Or you do it in a pentagon and you do the same thing. Okay, that's one design. You can do any, it doesn't have to be a square. It doesn't have to be a triangle. It could be a hexagon. It can be a pentagon. But this is the most basic line design out there. It's just an angle, and it doesn't matter if it's really like this type of an angle. You can still do it. You can still do it. You don't even need a ruler. You just need a straight edge. Okay, the next one I want to show you is what happens if you make you take this one and this one and this one and this one, and then you connect the dots. It's a square within a square within a square within a square, and then you just go in from this one, you go in from this one, and this one, and again, you keep connecting the dots. And you just keep doing this. I know this isn't gonna look great. You keep doing this until it makes, I can take pictures to show you what a square within a square within a square looks like. Maybe you don't want to do a square within a square. Maybe you want to do a trapezoid. Or maybe you want to do a circle one. This one's a really cool one. Again, it's just making lines. And I'll show you pictures of all of these. A circle. All you do is you connect this one right here with all of them. And I'm not going to keep going, but you keep going, and then you do the next one and you connect that one with the straight edge, of course, and then you do the next one and the next one and the next one and the next one. So that's called the circle one. You can do a triangle within a triangle within a triangle too, and I'll show you pictures of that. The tighter it is, the better it looks. I know this is not exactly, and I'm just showing you a hexagon. Maybe you want to do this angle right here and this angle here. So we're doing this angle basically. So this one goes there, and then this one, this one, this one, this one, really fast with the straight edge. And then maybe you want to do this one here, and maybe you want to do this one here, which would be this side and this side, and you just play around with it and you make really cool line designs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some pictures of some really good ones over there on the bulletin board, and I'm going to kind of show you how they all work. So I think that's it for line designs. I mean, you could make a circle here if you want to. You could do the circle one. You could do the angle one here. I mean, you could just play around with this and make a really cool line design. You can look up line designs on the internet and they'll give you some really cool ideas to do too. So, okay, that's about it. Try to be very creative and try to do it in color. The color ones are really, really, really cool. So try to do them in color. I'm going to give you some sample ones to show you, and these are just samples. It doesn't mean copy them. These are some ideas that the other kids did. What I'd like you to do is to keep these, and I'd like you to give them to me at the beginning of the year next year, the Trig Kids. I like to laminate the really good ones, and I like to use them as decorations for the following year. So if you can, after you do this, can you take a picture of it, send it to me to show me that you did it? And then what I want you to do is to keep this and then give it to me at the beginning of the year next year. I would love to have them so I can laminate them like I've been doing for 30 years. So well, have a good day, and I will send you pictures of some really good ones. Bye.